Cornerstone Regional Hospital is dedicated to providing quality healthcare services. Exclusively at Cornerstone Regional Hospital, you can experience a breakthrough procedure, MAKOplasty. Using a physician-controlled robotic arm system for partial knee resurfacing, this innovative treatment is for adults living with early to mid-stage osteoarthritis of the knee. Guided by the integrity instilled in the physicians and staff, Cornerstone Regional Hospital is the only hospital in the Valley offering MAKOplasty. Cornerstone Regional Hospital, where patients come first.